everybody, it's Britt and Cammie with Empty Nest to Travel, and today I want to visit with you about one of the things that we were made aware of when we went to Mexico. We were kind of walking around in some neighborhoods and stuff, and we would pass by these laundromats. And unlike the United States, where here we pass by them and we smell chemicals, there we smell this beautiful smell that just like filled the streets. And I was like, that's the way I want my laundry to smell. We found out what it is that they use in Mexico to make it smell that good. Some things that I found out other than the smell is that this is very easy to find here in the United States, but I'd never even heard of it. It's not advertised here like Tide or anything like that. Another thing is the price of it is very inexpensive comparative to Tide. Let me show you. So it is called Ariel, and this is an 88 load bag, and I got it for $9.97 at Walmart. It's also at Dollar General. There is another scent, and this is one with Downy, and this is 33 loads, and I got it for $5.47. When you compare Tide with Downy, you get an 85 load jug for $27.24. So $15.50 for these compared to $27.24 and less loads. So I think this smells way better, so I'm sticking with this. And what I like to do is take both of these and mix them together so you get the little bit of Downy smell in with this too. So my mixture process with Ariel laundry soap is I take both of these bags and I pour them into a container together, kind of shake it, put the lid on, shake it up, make sure the lid's on very tight, shake it up, and then I just use a quarter of a cup of a scoop to throw into my laundry. Let me tell you, your laundry is going to smell better than it ever has before. I love it.